Hi guys, today we have a look using the Morphe 3502 palette. If you guys like this look, just keep on watching. We're going to go ahead and use the Urban Decay primer in the color Sin, and we're going to put that on our lid. Using a Real Technique brush, we're going to put that on our lid and go all the way to our brow bone. Going in with the Morphe 3502 palette. I actually got this palette at IMAX and I really love it. We're going to go in with the color Orb and a Morphe blending brush. And we're going to go ahead and put that on our crease. This is going to be our transition color. This will also help our eyeshadows blend smoother. Then going in with a smaller blending brush from Morphe, I'm going to go ahead and get the color Terracotta and I'm going to add that to our crease. We want to make sure it stays on the crease and not go over our crease. Going in with the Urban Decay primer and Sin, we're going to put that on our lid. Again, we're going to go ahead and blend it, but we don't want it to go over our crease. Going in with the color Pure from the same Morphe palette, we're going to go ahead and pat that on our lid. Going in with the color Orb, we're going to go ahead and blend that out. We don't want any harsh lines. And going in with the color Terracotta, we're going to go ahead and add some to our crease again, but this time we're going to make sure we add a little bit more color onto our outer V. Using this single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in the color Creme Brulee, I'm going to go ahead and add that to our brow bone. This is one of my favorite brow colors. I really like it. I've been using it for years. Then we're going to go ahead with the Anastasia Cream Eyeliner in the color Jet and a liner brush from Morphe. We're going to go ahead and wing our eyes. Using this Tarte eyeliner in the color Black, it's also called Sex Kitten. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my lash line. This is just going to help our lashes look fuller. I'm using these lashes from Lashes in a Box. These are the E1 and I got these at IMAX. I really like them. These have easily become my favorite one. I'm using the Duo Glue. This is also my favorite glue to use. Going in with this Urban Decay primer, and this is a optical illusion complex primer. It smooths the skin. I love this primer. This gives me a flawless finish. Now for color correcting, I'm taking these Urban Decay color corrector. These are my favorite ones. This is the color Deep Peach, and this is going to conceal my dark circles. The green is going to cover my redness. And the yellow is going to cover my dark spots. Gonna go ahead with a damp beauty blender. We're gonna go ahead and blend this. Now for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and this is in the color 240. I will apply this all over my face. And using the Versali Rose Gold drops, I'm going to apply these to my beauty blender and blend out my whole foundation. Now using the Tarte Concealer in the color Light Neutral, I'm going to use this for my under eye. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Now using my Becca Blur Powder, I will use this to set my under eye concealer. This is one of my favorite powders. Now using the Laura Mercier Contour Cream Kit, I will use the color Medium Brown and add that to my contour line. Again, with the same damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend that upwards. Now using my Morphe face brush, I will dust off the powder under my eye. And using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil powder, I'm going to go ahead and set my contour. Going in with the color Orb and a pencil brush from the 3502 palette from Morphe, I'm going to go ahead and add that to my lower lash line. Now taking the color Terracotta just to deepen up the color, I'm going to go ahead and also add that to my lash line. Going in with my Becca powder, I'm going to go ahead and bake just to give me a definition for my contour. Now taking a blush brush, I'm going to go in with this Tarte blush. It's called Parte, and I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. Now taking this Jaclyn Hill palette from Becca, I'm going to go ahead and use the color Amaretto and add it to the apples of my cheeks, also for a shine. Now taking my highlighter brush, and I'm using the color Champagne Pop from the same Becca palette, and I'm going to add that to the highest points of my cheeks. I love me a good highlight, and this is one of my favorite ones. Using my favorite mascara from Too Faced, Better Than Sex, I'm going to go ahead and add that to my lashes, lower and upper lashes. Now I'm using this liquid lipstick from Too Faced. It's a melted liquid lipstick and it's called Sellout. This is a very beautiful color and I think it goes perfectly with the look. We hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Just press the little red button right there on the bottom. And we will see you in our next video. Don't forget, stay glamorous. Bye!